In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in Wix. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step so you can easily add a contact form to your Wix site in no time. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. This is your main page for accessing all the features and controls of your website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a sidebar on the left. This menu includes all the tools you need to manage your site, including your contacts, leads, and, of course, forms. Now, look for the Customers and Leads section. Clicking on this will give you options related to how you interact with your site visitors and manage potential opportunities. Once you click on that, you'll then want to find the Forms and Submissions link. This is where you'll manage all your forms, whether they're feedback forms, surveys, or, in our case, the contact form. Next, you'll click on Create Form, where you'll be guided to a page where you can start building your form from scratch. Wix provides several options and templates that are quite user-friendly, so don't worry if creating forms seems daunting at first. Once you click on Create Form, several types of forms will appear. You'll want to select the website form, because this option will be the one you'll integrate into your site for users to interact with directly. Now comes the creative part. It's time to add your fields. Think about what information you really need from your users. The basics typically include name, email, and a message area, but you can customize this based on your specific needs. Do you need their phone number? A drop-down menu? Wix allows you to drag and drop to customize your form fully, so take your time here and think about what's crucial for your data collection. Once you're satisfied with your form's layout and fields, it's vital to save your progress. Look for the Save button, typically located in the upper area of your screen. Clicking Save ensures all your hard work is stored and ready to be published or further edited as required. Saving frequently is a good habit to prevent losing any updates in case of a browser crash or connection hiccup. And there we have it, your very own contact form on Wix. By following these straightforward steps, you can successfully create and implement a contact form that allows users to reach out with ease. It's a great way to handle inquiries, gather leads, and improve site interaction. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and happy designing!